And we are back. Hi, by the way. From now on I will try to talk English. I know I'm really bad at English, but maybe if I talk English I get 5 followers instead of 2 or something, I don't know. And hopefully some will understand. For you that don't, sorry, just look or don't look, I don't know. But I have done some things without filming, so I think we will start with just look what I've done and where we are stuck. So we can start inside. We have an Haltech ECU 1500 installed with some sensor. It looks like a mess in here too, sorry for that, but I have to have the car running first before I tidy things up. So we have a ECU installed with some extra sensors, fuel, lambda, yada yada yada, things like that. We have a new Haltech gauge. I love that gauge, it's so nice. It shows me whatever I want. So nice. We also have, let's go around here. The engine bay is completely, almost, small minor things. Now we're asking, why is the intercooler piping not connected or completely loose? Yeah, there's where the problem is. The car was running. It started, not running. It started. It's been outside, 5 meters outside maybe, and I don't have any fuel pressure. So I don't know where to start. The fuel pressure is at the 08 bar. I don't know the reference to the PSI, but it's low. I think you can pee harder than 08 bar. So I thought, nah, it's a sensor. I have to change it. Change the sensor. Still 08. Maybe I have bad fuel pressure. So that's why the intake manifold is off. Tried with the OEM pump again. Even better, no, worse. So I changed back to the other one, and now my thoughts are the fuel filter, and it's, yeah, I can tell you, it's a pain to get to. So there we are today, and we're going to change the filter. And I wanted a new OE filter, and I ordered one and it didn't came. I waited maybe a month. I just got tired. I reached out to Speeding and said, can I have the parts by tomorrow? And look where we are, we have them. So thanks, appreciate it. So this is what we're going with now. We're going to make some new AN lines, we have some new AN fittings. Going to put it on the original system and just, yeah, make it work, I think, I hope. It's a high flow filter, so probably we should have all the pressure we can have right now. So yeah, I don't know, let's crack on, I think. Crack on, you say crack on? Whatever, let's go. Okay, sorry, I didn't film anything while building, putting this part on, but the fuel filter is on and all the lines are hooked up, and yeah, it didn't help. So nice. But the problem is found, and we have all the fuel pressure right now. It was the hose inside the tank burst, so we changed that up, and now fuel pressure. So the car is started up once again and it's running great. So for today and for now we're going to hook up some fans to radiator and make that work, and yeah, go from there and see what's happened. So the fans are on and plugged in and everything, and I will show you. It will work. So I think it's probably gonna take it outside. Maybe, I'm not sure yet. And there you have it. The car has been fired up, driven, and feeling happy. Feels okay. So next thing up, tidy everything up and do a big service. We have to change oil and oil filter and check everything. Just double check everything so it's okay. And then load her up and take her to a tuner. That's the plan, at least. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let's see if we continue this video saga by then.